Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I thought it would be useful to share some of the hacks that I use over the years when I am having my extended family stay with me for a while. Now, today's hacks are all going to be related to kids, so when you have multiple kids staying with you, you need some great hacks to keep your life in order. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, the washcloth hack. Ever wonder what to do with all those washcloths and towels that guests use? Well, for the kids, I created a system for them to hang their wet washcloths so that they won't get moldy and mildewy all balled up in a corner of the laundry room. Now, I love these hooks and I've shared them with you several times in multiple videos over the years. You can get them from the Dollar Tree if you can still find them, also at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or Home Goods. Now, I print out each child's name using my label maker, but a Sharpie works just as fine, and each child is given a specific color so that they can remember what color is theirs. After they finish taking their shower or bath, they are taught to wring out their washcloths so that there are no drips, and they click it to their appropriate hanger. It is easy peasy and it works like a charm. The Muffin Tin Cup Hack. Now, you ever wonder how to corral all of those cups that you will inevitably find all over your home when you have extended guests? Well, for this hack, you will need cups, a muffin tin, and a Sharpie. So you will buy some plastic cups in whatever size you'd like. I like to buy smaller cups for the younger kids and the larger solo type cups for the older kids and adults. So you're going to get a Sharpie and write the names of each person on the cup, and that will be that person's cup for the next few days. And they are required to put the cup back in the muffin tin on the counter or on the table or whatever designated space that you choose. And you can require the little kids, when they want something to drink, they can just drink their drink standing right there next to the counter, and they can place the cup right back into the muffin tin. Older kids are just required to make sure that their cup goes back into the muffin tin before the end of the day. Another bonus tip is to implement the only clear drink rule in your home when you have kids staying over. And what I mean by that is only get drinks that are clear or near clear, so you don't have to worry about stains when those spills occur. And believe me, spills will occur. So some great drinks for kids would be water, milk, apple juice, white grape juice, lemonade, things along that line, because those are easy cleanup drinks. And another benefit of a muffin tin system, as opposed to just sitting the cups on the counter, is that the muffin tin makes it very easy to transport a large number of cups, very easily. So if you want to even fill the cups with drinks, you can just pick the muffin tin up and place it on a table so that the kids will know it's drink time. Or even when you're just trying to clean up the kitchen, all of the cups are on the counter, but if they're in the muffin tin, you can just lift the tin up, wipe the counters down, and set it back down. I absolutely love the muffin tin system, and it is so cheap because you already probably have a muffin tin at home. If you don't, you can get the muffin tins from the Dollar Tree. Next up is the coffee filter snack hack. Now, I snagged this hack years ago from my sister. She uses this system in her daycare. Now, she likes to use coffee filters as little disposable snack bowls, and they work better than paper towels, especially for the little ones, because it has that structure and support of a bowl, and the food is less likely to spill out. Now, you can quickly whip up a bunch of individual snacks by lining the counter with a bunch of filters and filling them with snacks. And it's just easy peasy in order to dispose of the little filter after the kids are finished eating. The grocery bag disposable bib hack. This hack is great to prevent kids from messing up their Sunday's best church clothing or any good clothing that they may have. The hack protects from spills from eating, painting, etc. You will need a grocery bag and scissors. Cut the bottom of the bag to create a tank top and put it on your child. Remove and discard when finished. Easy peasy. And here you go. You have an instant bib for Sunday morning breakfast. Thanks, EJ. The plastic placemat hack. Now, you want to replace your cloth, your natural or metal placemats or chargers with plastic placemats or spill-proof tablecloths to make cleaning the table a breeze. You will eliminate a bunch of the white water rings that are left by all of the cups that folks will sit on your table. The mattress hack. Now, to prevent having pissy mattresses and having to wash your mattress and then let it air dry, I recommend mattress covers for all beds, especially those where young children will be sleeping. Even if a kid is toilet trained, oftentimes being in a new environment away from home will cause accidents. Also, you also may become more lax when you are on vacation and you're not paying attention as to whether or not that child drank a lot of drinks before bedtime, and that could also cause bedtime wetting. Now, the mattress covers that I love can be a little bit pricey, and I get mine from Target, but I think they're worth the investment. And if you just purchase one a month over time until all of your beds are covered, I think you'd be great. Now, the one I get from Target are the ones that enclose your entire mattress. It's not just like a fitted sheet that goes over top of your mattress. And the reason I like those is because not only does it provide the waterproof protection from wetting the bed, it also prevents, bed bug barrier entry. It also prevents from allergens entering into the mattress and mold and dander. So that's why I love those. And they're also made from this awesome breathable fabric, whereas some of the cheap plastic mattress covers, when you lay in the bed, you could hear the plastic shifting and squeaking and making noise, and also you're sweating. That plastic will cause you to sweat. So that's why I say invest a little bit more in the nicer mattress covers. So did you find this video useful? Leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite hack. Also, share some of your favorite hacks that you use. I love to learn new tips and tricks. And also, would you like to see more extended family stay hacks? I have some adult hacks and some more kid hacks that I'd like to share. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye, guys.